Hi everyone, this is the 82nd video of the ACT Math Practice Problem series, and here we have a simple problem from the concept of trigonometry. As I always recommend, before seeing the solution, you can pause the video and give it a try yourself, and after that of course you want to match with my solution. So let's get started. Here the question says, if the value to the nearest thousandth of sine of theta is negative 0.233, which of the following could be true about theta? So essentially we have to find out where does theta lie, whether it is in the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant or fourth quadrant, right? We have been given 5 different options and we have to figure out in which range the theta could lie so that sine of theta would be a negative value, which is negative 0.233. Now from the concept of trigonometry, we know that sine theta would be negative in the third and fourth quadrants. So in this case, we have to find out which of these 5 ranges actually cover third and fourth quadrants. Now let's try one by one. The first one is obviously between first and second quadrant. So the first one is first and second quadrant. I'm going to make a quick note here. So this is first quadrant and second quadrant. And the second one is greater than pi over 2 and less than 2 pi over 3. So this will be in the second quadrant. But we know that the value of sine theta is negative. That means theta has to be in the third or fourth quadrant. So I'm going to make a quick note there that we are expecting theta to be in the third or fourth quadrants. So let's look at the third option. Looks like it is greater than or equal to pi over 2 and less than or equal to pi. So that is again in the second quadrant. Now let's look at the fourth option. Well, the fourth option says theta is greater than or equal to pi and less than or equal to 2 pi. Exactly, that is what we have been looking for. This covers third quadrant and fourth quadrant. This covers both the quadrants and that is our answer. So our correct answer would be option J. Also, if you look at the fifth option there, it goes from 2 pi over 3, which is in the second quadrant, then all the way to the fourth quadrant. So here we have second quadrant, then we have third quadrant. It covers second, third and fourth. It actually covers all 3 quadrants there. So this will not be the correct option. The correct option will be option J, because that purely covers the third and the fourth quadrant, which is where we have the possibility of sine of theta to be a negative value, right? I hope it made sense. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.